Welcome to day 1 of 75 or 75 hard. So the six of us, namely si Bianca, si Pat, si Spencer, si Tony, si Vance, and of course myself, we were able to provide our current weight, and I am at 73.7 with a body fat percentage of I think 23%. I have to revisit that. There's my phone, pero I'll get back to you with my body fat percentage. The weigh-ins uh, are done. We have our personal goal setting, so we were able to set our goals. So for me, my personal goal is to be around 63 to 65 kgs with a body fat percentage of around 13 to 15%. Uh, and in 75 days, it's near impossible, no, unless I will be losing like 1 kilograms of fat every week, of course. I don't think that is healthy or sustainable. Uh, and with my age, I don't think my metabolism or my body will respond to the diets that I did before. I'm treading lightly at first. So I'm warming up. So I guess the first few weeks, I'm gonna gauge how my body responds to my new routine, new regimen in terms of the workouts and the food that I take on a daily basis. Plus this time kasi I'm tracking how much calories I'm taking. Unlike in the past few years when I did my intermittent fasting and my calorie deficit, I wasn't really tracking the food that I was eating back then. So ngayon, we're using Bevel to track our nutrients or the foods and the drinks. So far, I only had two glasses of water, like 250 milliliters, and the other one is 190. I don't feel hungry yet because last night I ate tons of food. Actually, yesterday, I think I had like 5 meals. So, para nag-udon ako, 2 bowls of udon last night. Tapos, in the afternoon, I forgot what I ate in the afternoon. But definitely, I ate something. Pero, ayun, I wasn't able to track because talagang I was pouring it all in. Because I know in the next 75 days, I don't get to eat much na. So, ayun. So, join me. So far, we are off to a good start. I don't feel any hunger yet. Kasi expected, of course. Dapat mo kinain kahapon or kagabi. So, today's workday is Monday. So, most likely, I'm gonna have my coffee later tonight. And I might drink oat milk and might look for something to eat, like fruits in the afternoon or at night. So, I'm just gonna take a quick nap and the day will start later tonight. See you.